Underwriting life, disability, and long-term care is one of the main reasons that investment advisors don't recommend many insurance products to their clients. It's challenging. Insurance companies are in the business of writing insurance, not paying claims. So they've developed many ways to avoid what they consider adverse risks. Even during COVID, when no one could get an insurance exam, carriers modified their process to get enough information for them to assess risk and issue policies. Underwriting for insurance initially entails completion of an application, including a medical questionnaire completed by the proposed insured. Depending on the age and amount of coverage, a paramedical exam, blood, and urine collection are required, which is usually done at home by a licensed nurse. But it's the stuff that happens behind the scenes that's most notable. MIB reporting, for instance. The Medical Information Bureau is a nonprofit that collects and shares information to help insurance companies assess risk. MIB acts as a central database that stores details about an insurance applicant's medical histories and other relevant information related to insurance applications. Essentially, the MIB is a type of credit check for the insurance industry designed to reduce fraud. MVR, or motor vehicle reports, are ordered as there's a perception from the insurance industry that driving records provide valuable insights into an applicant's overall risk profile, particularly in terms of health, lifestyle, and the potential for accidents. RX check, or prescription check. This is a report obtained through a third-party database that compiles an individual's prescription medical history from pharmacies. Insurance companies use this as a confirmation of the statements made on the medical questionnaire that's completed by the proposed insured, and to further assess any medical conditions. APSs, also referred to as attending physician statements, refers to the medical records your doctor keeps. As part of the underwriting process, it's very common for carriers to request complete medical records from any treating physician, and there are new electronic processes for obtaining these records, but still this tends to be more of a manual process, and the one that slows us down the most. Milliman and Telescript. This service has historically been used for prescription database checks, but they recently developed a new database that includes CPT codes. These are the diagnostic codes that physicians use to submit to insurance for them to get paid. This is a newer database and candidly has caused many issues with cases that we've been working on, but we have learned how to navigate this. LexisNexis is another one. Many insurance carriers use this data analytics and risk management company to obtain public records, legal research, and other tools to assess risk and prevent fraud. One of the most common tools used is LexisNexis Risk Solutions. That includes a wide range of data, including public records, criminal histories, motor vehicle records, credit information, and claims histories. Honestly, I'm not 100% sure how credit is an appropriate measure of insurance risk, but I can tell you that it has factored into cases over the years that we've worked on. AI is becoming more prevalent, where insurance companies have now begun to build their own AI risk assessment tools based on their own experience. And we see with many of these, this lack of transparency and this inability to petition individual consideration has made it very difficult. Carriers feel that these systems require full commitment for them to develop the right risk assessments over time. If they start making exceptions, they believe it would affect the future outcomes that the AI is learning over time. And all of this happens just by submitting a simple application for insurance. There's more to the process, so you can understand why many advisors avoid working with insurance at all, and why a firm like mine can be a valuable resource, helping people navigate the challenging underwriting process to secure valuable protection.